Hey everybody, my name is Robert. I'm with my two older sons, Jesse and Jonah. They're going to help me install some floor mats because unfortunately I just had surgery and I am not up to the task right now, but I got my two oldest helpers to help me. We're going to be installing Lasfit all-weather mats into the Mustang Mach-E, and there's also a surprise for you. You guys can save up to 20%. So I'll talk to you about that. Get the coupon code, save 20%. And get a cool product. So let's talk about it and we'll install it right now. So again, I got Jonah and Jesse. We're going to be installing Lasfit all-weather mats. Cool thing about Lasfit all-weather mats, literally they're all-weather. They're rubber mats. They're made by TPE material, so it's a type of plastic. It's actually technically recyclable as well. Yeah. So let's go ahead and pull this out. Again, there's a 20% coupon. I will put the link up here, or I'll put the coupon code and also a link to get these up there, and also in the description of the video.
Wow.
Kind of heavy?
Wow.
Nice.
Wow. Nothing's in the box. To prove it, nothing's in the box. And now...
Yeah, the box is empty. So we got the cargo mat for the rear. That's why everything's open here. We got the front mats and we got the rear mat. All right. So I'm going to have the big boys install it. On the underside, you can see it's got little teeth on it for the mats. The other side's got ribbing to hold water, so if you spill stuff, it won't spill all over your vehicle. It'll stay within the mat, which is kind of cool. It's got a little umbrella icon right there. And what's cool, what they did, that's the front mat. What they did too is, check it out. What's that say right there, Jonah?
Lasfit.
Lasfit and what?
E.
There's an E. Mach-E.
E, look, I'm a draw it.
Nice. So for here, there's the OEM spots where you could put the anchors already there for you. And it's got the feet. This is all 3D scanned.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. So they scanned it perfectly for the vehicle. Got my footprint. What I like about rubber, or some people like rubber, it's not slippery.
Yeah, is it less slippery when it's wet?
Yeah. Also, one of the things I've seen is that some rubber floor mats are actually slippery. They have some weird material, but this one has a nice consistency that's not slippery. So let's go ahead and install it, guys. Slip them in there.
All right, I'm gonna do the back. Just do the front, don't. I'm gonna do the back right now because this is heavier. That's why.
Yeah.
Let me go ahead and make sure it's aligned.
I think it's that way, yeah. Looks like the right direction.
Maybe.
Yeah, turn it, yep.
Turn it and then it will be in.
You guys pick it up. There you go. There you go. Nice. Fits nice and perfect, huh?
Supposed
Yeah.
pass. Yep.
Perfect. Okay,
That's
cool.
Cool.
All right, then we've got Jonah in front.
Okay.
How you doing there, Jonah?
It's good. It's all good. It's good that my...
Where you get in there?
Yeah, they got in there already.
Snapped it in?
Yeah.
Let me open
Okay.
that one, Dad.
Oh, it's got a pretty good depth.
I might do the same thing with this one for me.
So, looking here, it's got a pretty good lip. Looks like about an inch, and it covers underneath the pedals, which I like. A lot of times they don't cover the pedals, and also it covers the footrest as well. So that's pretty cool. So I do like that. And like I said, the anchors pop in here. So it keeps it from sliding even more.
And now I'm gonna get this one on now.
Well, we got pictures. What's the manual saying? Don't worry, they get folded coming out the package. Give some time, you know, so they'll fold out. So they might be a little crinkly, like that. See the crease right there?
This is what it said.
But it'll get better. Makes sense.
Now I'm gonna carefully slide this one on, because I know it goes right there.
Yeah, it might be, if you kind of have to tuck it. If not, sometimes moving the front seat helps, but I think Jesse's going to be able to maneuver it.
I see it going in.
Yeah. So with two helpers, it's pretty fast.
I see it go here.
Yeah.
And
it's got a pretty good amount of depth right there, too. You already got that in, Jonah?
Yeah, I popped it.
And you popped it?
Yeah.
Nice. So that's the front thing. Yeah, let me go in here. Someone smoking?
Yeah.
Yeah, someone is smoking. Actually, someone's smoking weed. Nice. So anyways,
There's a little flex on top in the middle right here.
that's okay. Like I
Well, at
said,
least I
it'll
got it
push
in.
out.
Yeah, but at least I got it in perfect at least.
So what's going on here,
Yeah.
I like the grippiness. It doesn't slide out easily. And of course I'm getting it dirty because my feet are dirty. But what's cool about the rubber is that you could just wipe it down and you're all set. If this does get muddy or anything, pull it out, hose it off, and wipe it down. Let it dry in the sun. So this one looks like it have a little lip there. It does, huh? I think you could tuck it. Yeah, I just tucked it. That's cool. So there's a little lip to tuck in there. Lip tuck. So there it is over here. If you guys want to see it, let me get a close up in the front. I really think a driver's mat is really the most important thing. You don't want a failing mat. Remember the Toyotas and the floor mats and the pedals and stuff. So that's very important to get that correct. And these are definitely on point.
Yeah.
You already got it in, Jesse?
Yeah, I just got it in perfect in the back.
Yeah, this is good for my helpers.
Yeah. It's perfect, Dad. It doesn't slip.
Oh
Dad.
wow, yeah, not slippery, huh?
Yeah, I just got it perfect.
Look at this, it's one big mat. So if things get spilled, it'll channel out, stay safe. Again, pretty good lip. Yeah, that's it. You can see how fast it is to install, really easy. Thanks to my helper, Jonah and Jesse. Again, it's got a 20% coupon code, and you just gotta follow the link, click the link to purchase, and then use that coupon code, and you save 20% off. So that's a pretty good deal, and it's only for a little bit of time. It's not forever. All right. What do you say?
Okay, thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to like our videos, and then make sure to tap the subscribe button, and then make sure to tap the bell icon and press all for all notifications for future videos, and peace out.
Peace out. Jonah, what do you say?
Subscribe.
And
That's all.
peace out.
Peace out.
Peace out.
And now my love for you is so strong, girl.